Hello friends, welcome to our first tip and trick lecture. These tips and tricks, those will be covered here in this section, will really help you in your workflow. Yes friend. So the first tip that I will share with you is really very simple, is to select and moving objects. So for illustrating this in Illustrator, let's create a rectangle using the rectangle tool. Okay, so this is our rectangle. Let me change its color. Okay, so now say for example you want to move this object somewhere, right? Now you have created this rectangle using the rectangle tool that we have already covered in our tools section. Now for moving any object, you need to select this selection tool. Its keyboard shortcut is V. So select the selection tool. Now select this object and move it anywhere. Okay. Now let me create another object. Say a star this time. So this is a star. Let me change its color to something else. Okay. Now say for example you want to move this star somewhere else. So what you will do, you will select the selection tool and you can see that it's already selected because we have just created this star. Let me move it here. Now say for example you want to move this rectangle now. How you will do that? Make sure that your selection tool is selected. Now select this object, I mean this rectangle, and you can move it somewhere. You can select this star and you can move it here. Okay. So it is our first tip for easing your workflow. Number 1, the selection tool. Select and move objects. Okay. That's it. In our next lecture, we are going to take a look at another tip, you can say, which will help us to work efficiently with objects. That we are going to take a look in our next lecture. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.